Okay, got my 140 turned down all the way. That was all the way, it was at 2, but it's all the way. Have a little chart right here. Where is it? 18 gauge. Shield V25. Make sure we got 18 gauge. Got my little gauge here. And it's more a 20 gauge, but that's probably because I ground on it. 18 gauge. That's 20 gauge. That is 22 gauge. Almost gets in there. And focus. It's 22 gauge. So 22 gauge would be, it's not on here. Which that could be my problem. Maybe it's always too much for it. We'll sheet metal weld it. It was 18 gauge. Probably ground some. No, I probably by grinding and wire welding it removed some of the metal. But I'm keep melting through. I've even used a little air compressor right there, but that I need my big air compressor, but I can't find my nozzle for it. So, all right. Well, catch you on the next one.